Hi, I'm Nigel, one of the co-founders of No Big Deal, and I would just like to welcome you to the platform and give you a quick overview of how the business portal works. I'll be doing this tutorial and a few other ones using the fictional business Hotel Bali. So first thing we're going to do, of course, is log in with our credentials, and that's going to take us to our dashboard page. On the left, you can see the navigation to some of the other pages, which I'll go through in a second. In the middle, some data on your current well-being campaigns, such as how many you have active at the moment. And in the top right, you'll see your profile where you can edit some of the details. So first I'll take you through the campaign page, and this is where you're going to create and manage the well-being campaigns that are going to be visible to users. When I say well-being campaign, I mean a reward from your business, as well as a challenge in order for them to win it. In the second tutorial, I'll take you through how to fill in this form and create these campaigns. Next is the employees page. So if you're planning to redeem rewards from users in person or in store using the QR code functionality, then you can download the No Big Deal business app and scan the QR codes using that. In order to log into the business app, you can use the credentials that you've used to log in here to the No Big Deal business portal. If you would like to add some of your employees, for instance, to enable them to also be able to access the QR code scanning functionality, then you can do that here, simply by pressing Add New, and then just fill out this form here. So that covers the basic structure and functionality of the No Big Deal business portal. For more details and an example of how to create your own campaign, please watch the next video and feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Thanks.